Welcome back, Green Thumbs. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential techniques for tomato cultivation: trellising. If you're tired of unruly tomato vines taking over your garden or limited on space, then stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets to successful tomato trellising. Hi everyone, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the benefits of tomato trellising, different types of trellises, and how to set them up for maximum yield and space efficiency. So, let's get started. First off, why should you trellis your tomatoes? Well, trellising offers numerous advantages. It helps prevent diseases by keeping foliage off the ground, improves air circulation, and makes harvesting a breeze. Plus, it maximizes sunlight exposure, resulting in healthier plants and bigger, juicier tomatoes. Now, let's talk about the different types of trellises you can use. There are various options available, including stake and weave, cage, and string trellises. Each has its pros and cons, but they all serve the same purpose: supporting your tomato plants as they grow. Stake and weave trellises involve driving sturdy stakes into the ground and weaving twine or wire between them to create a supportive framework for the tomato plants. This method works well for indeterminate varieties that continue to grow throughout the season. Cage trellises consist of cylindrical wire cages that encircle the tomato plants, providing support as they grow. They're easy to install and work particularly well for determinate varieties that have a more compact growth habit. String trellises involve suspending strings above the tomato plants and training them to climb upward as they grow. This method is highly versatile and allows for easy pruning and harvesting. Now that you've chosen your trellis type, it's time to set it up. Start by placing your stakes or cages in the ground, ensuring they're firmly anchored. If you're using a string trellis, tie one end of the strings to a support structure above your plants and secure the other end to the base of each plant. As your tomato plants grow, gently guide them towards the trellis and secure them in place using soft ties or clips. Regularly prune away any suckers and lower foliage to promote upward growth and improve air circulation. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about tomato trellising. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, trellising your tomatoes is a simple yet effective way to boost yield, save space, and keep your plants healthy and happy. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.